If your mind feels like it never rests, caught in loops of worry, or driven by rituals that feel impossible to resist, you're not imagining it. Anxiety and obsessive-compulsive disorder can leave you mentally drained, making even routine moments feel overwhelming. Relief Mental Health offers evidence-based care that helps you move forward. One of the most effective tools is cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. This is a structured, collaborative process where you learn to recognize patterns in your thoughts, question them, and respond with more clarity and balance. With CBT, we not only talk you through your challenges, but also actively help you work through them. You'll learn to slow anxious thoughts before they take over, develop healthier responses to stress, and gradually retrain your brain to stay grounded, even under pressure. For OCD, we use a specialized form of CBT called exposure and response prevention. Instead of avoiding what scares you or repeating rituals to feel safe, ERP helps you sit with discomfort in a controlled way. Over time, your brain learns that the fear doesn't match reality, and the cycle starts to loosen its grip. These aren't quick fixes. They're practical tools backed by research and strengthened by experience. Whether you're facing anxiety, OCD, or both, therapy is a space to rebuild confidence, find calm, and feel like yourself again. Relief Mental Health provides individualized support that respects your experience and aligns with your goals. You don't have to stay stuck. There's a way through, and we're here to help you find it.